Hey food lovers, welcome back to Barrow's Mystery Land. It's time for a tropical twist. Get ready to test your food knowledge. Here you have 50 foods and only 3 seconds to guess. Are you ready for a speedy challenge? But, before starting, hit that subscribe button. And let's begin. Crispy apple, sweet banana, tangy oranges, juicy grapes, pineapples, fluffy mango, creamy kiwi, refreshing watermelon, strawberries, pear, cherries, blueberries, raspberries, papaya, zesty lemon. Hey food lovers, welcome back to Barrow's Mystery Land. It's time for a tropical twist. Avocado. Get ready to test your food knowledge. Here you have 50 foods and only 3 seconds to guess. Are you ready for a speedy challenge? Plum, is guava, nutty coconut, sweet fig, espriti, cape fruit, pomegranate, cantaloupe, apricot, blackberry, dragon fruit, persimmon, passion fruit, raspberry, is tangerine, is lime, is nectarine, guano, kismis star fruit, kumquat, mulberry, rambutan, elderberry, jackfruit, plantain, tropical agave, tangy blackcurrant, gooseberry, durian, sweet dates, peach, kumquat. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more fun videos like this. Good luck.